Hi, Eric here with a quick tech tip. I'm going to talk to you about our AudioControl component speakers and how to make the crossover networks as small as possible for your installation ease. So if we're installing these into a vehicle and we have a limited amount of space, and we want to make these crossover networks as small as possible, we can actually remove them from their housings and heat shrink them. So we open the packaging, move our template inside the speaker grill. Here we've got all of our heat shrink, high pass and low pass, got 2 for each. This side has all of our mounting hardware, but this is really what we're interested in today. So we'll do a high pass and a low pass. We'll do one of each, high pass and low pass, low frequency, and a high frequency. Go ahead and slide this over here, make a little more space. And all we have to do is take a Phillips screwdriver, and on the end of each housing, there's 4 screws. Simply remove those screws. Now, with the 4 screws removed, we can unplug our connector. And we can slide the end plate off. We can actually unplug both connectors. And then we can just take the circuit board from the inside, and we can just slide it right out. If you push on the connector from the other side, it just slides out just enough. You just slide that right out of the metal. A little special appearance by our buddy Spike. So then, since this is our low pass, we're going to take our heat shrink labeled LF1. We're just going to slide this right over here. And now we just take our heat gun and heat this up, and it's going to take up less space than the box itself. Cool. A little bit of heat applied to that, and now it's a little bit smaller and more compact than when it's in the housing. Just repeat that process for your high pass crossover with the heat shrink, and you're set. Hope you enjoyed this tech tip. Hope it helps you out.